today the woman died feeling by resort. A Russian woman was killed at some time out of the path of a easy-to-surrender truck. Reports said yesterday witnesses the woman and her husband were shopping for food at a shop on Wednesday. Highway about 100 kilometers south of Hong Kong when their 19-month-old daughter ran to the road in front of a truck. The Nation newspaper reports the woman managed to push the child out of the way before being run over herself. The child was taken to a hospital. The incident took place at about 1 a.m. on Saturday. The report said truck driver Supachai Kamarakaryang, 21, told police he was returning to Bangkok after making a delivery in Pasay. When he heard the street and looking in his rear view mirror, so that he had run over a person. Anthony report.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 12 is now at contestant number 14. Contestant number 12.
On Sunday, when a part apparently decided that the delay wasn't up to his entertainment, so he threw an explosive directly at down trailer. The truck cleared the scene as players and particles all rolled away covering their ears. There seems to be some debate as to whether the equipment was breaking and maybe the explosion was some sort of test for that. Luckily, the notified explosion appeared to be more shock and terror to people and unclear whether the person who threw the explosion was caught or there should be punishment if Abdullah needed to sort of clear the air.
Thank you, Contestant number 12, and now it's taking Contestant number 13.
Good morning. This is Dana Idol from the airport. This person got taken from Amrita. Return to Indonesia. Police said one more time there was girl actor. Cancellation of the Saturday night. Late later told the viewer Monkey Time that the girl was alert and talking when she was close to a hospital in Pittsburgh, about 30 months away. Her condition was successful. Late later
With 13, let's talk about contestant number 14. 14, what? Contestant number 14.
the mic.
Ayun.
Yan. Dun sa ilalim.